Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. In today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to plug your tire. Before using a tire plug kit to plug your tire, first determine if it is safe to plug your tire. If the puncture is between here and here, it is safe to plug your tire. If the puncture is on the shoulder or on the sidewall, it is not safe to plug your tire. In addition, if the puncture is bigger than 1/4 of an inch or 6 millimeter, then it is not safe to plug your tire. Next, remove the object that is stuck in the tire. You can use a plier, you can use a cutter, you can use anything as long as you remove the object. So again, make sure to check the puncture size. Again, if it's greater than 1/4 of an inch or more than 6 millimeter, it is not safe to plug the tire. Next, use a reamer tool. It's going to be this one. So take the reamer tool and start reaming the tire. You want to do this a few times. Next, take your T-handle and the repair string. Take the repair string, insert inside the T-handle eyelet. So you want to go halfway like this. Next, take your rubber cement and you want to put it on the repair string. Make sure to use a good amount. Put some in the hole as well. Next, insert the repair string and go in about 2/3 of the way. Make sure to go in straight like this and then pull it out. And let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, when you're waiting for the rubber cement to dry, use a cutter and start trimming the repair string. Next, take your air compressor and start pumping your tire with air to spec. If you don't know the tire spec, look inside the driver's side door jamb and it will tell you the spec. So this tire is a rear tire, so I'm going to pump it to 30 psi. When you're done pumping the tire with air, make sure to use soap and water to check for leaks. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.